Hi, so we have been working on the boogie woogie with the blues chord progression, and now we will add triplets on the right hand. But before we do that, let's remember the notes we have to play on the left hand. We will play on the key of C.
Finger 5 will play C, which is the root note of the chord. We'll use finger 3 to play E flat and E, which are the minor third and major third. Finger 2 will play G, which is the perfect fifth, and finger 1 will play A, major sixth of C. So that's the riff.
To play this riff or motif, we count to 3 and play only on beats 1 and 3, avoiding beat 2. Now let's add triplets on the right hand. So let's count to 3 and we will play a C on top of C and F. And when we have a G chord on the left hand, we will play a D with finger number 2. Start by practicing just one chord with both hands. Stay on that chord, it could be just C, and then try the whole chord progression. It should sound something like this.